You are watching Cartoon Baby.
Hello friend, in this video we will learn about vegetables. Onion, pumpkin, potato, carrot, cauliflower, capsicum, broccoli, tomato, beetroot, cabbage, bitter gourd, peas, brinjal. Hi friend, thank you for watching this video. See you soon next time in another fantastic video. Please subscribe our channel to receive more videos and learn much more in future.